guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samiksha and I am here again with yet another video. So get your popcorns ready because तीनों में तुम्हें देने ही वाली हूँ. The story is quite a long back because I was in 10th standard. So yeah, मुझे बहुत bits and pieces में थोड़ी memory में थोड़ा नहीं है, but जो मुझे याद है. So yeah, it starts with when I was in 10th standard, and in 9th standard we made this girl group, and they used to be, I know, very cliche and cringe. You have to know how it started. So me and my very good friend Ira, she's still my one of the best friends. So when we were, in 9th standard, we became friends, and gradually we started hanging out together more and more. She had her mutual friend, I had my mutual friend, and we kind of grouped together and we became 7 girls. So yeah, that's how our group started. Okay, I already had 2 best friends back then, now they're not, and out of 7 girls, Ira is the only friend that I have right now. Me and Ira used to be in the same class, and we did not like maths at all. Then one day we thought, let's bunk it. What worse could happen? Usually क्या होता था, when we used to have lunch break, so we used to meet because everyone was in different classes, right? Our math classes used to be exactly after break, so we stopped going to class after break. It happened so much so that we legit bunked every math class, like every math class. Our math teacher, Neha ma'am, was so cool. Like, she was the coolest of all. She used to just say, if you love this class, stay. If you don't like it, just get lost. She didn't used to complain also. She was just like, she only wanted students who is, interested in her class. We used to bunk, I guess, 15 days in a month. Yeah, that bad. One thing about my school was it used to be very disciplined. Okay, you have to have your dress ironed, you have to have your shoes clean. Like, when it comes to discipline, it was bad because it was a army school. So and also one point, there used to be a mirror in every 10 steps in my school, just so you check your uniform, your hair, your shoe, your everything. Okay, there used to be, like, even in stairs there used to be a mirror just to see your uniform, that you are all well dressed up. So our school used to organize this annual fest called Reminiscence or something. I guess 120 schools or something used to participate in that. Till now we have not got any serious punishment or whatsoever for bunking the classes, because I don't know, maybe they thought we were just girls or whatsoever. For that fest, if you want to volunteer, you can volunteer. If you don't want to, then you can just stay home. It was just a free fest. Okay, so we also gave our name as volunteers, I guess. I don't actually remember. So we were like, let's do it, let's do something crazy. Out of 7 girls, 5 of us decided to bunk the class. It was me, Ira, Upasna, Jia, Simran. Okay, 5 girls. Then we decided, let's bunk. 2 of them were not interested at all. They were like, हम घर पे बैठेंगे, हम holiday enjoy करेंगे. Then we were like, fine. Then we decided, if we are bunking it, then let's go somewhere. Okay, so our school is in the southern part of Delhi, and we all were grown up in southern part of Delhi. So we were like, let's go to CP, Central Delhi. We have never been to CP, and for us, CP was a huge deal. Okay, we have never been to CP, and everybody used to talk about it, and we have never been to CP. Okay, so we were like, let's go. Another thing about my school is that for you to get inside our school, you have to get verified at 5 gates. Okay, then only you can go inside. If you are a civilian, you are never allowed. You are never gonna get into that school. Okay. And if you have a pass, then it should be signed by people, the relevant people. I'm using Google Map for better understanding. So this is my school. This right there is my school. So yeah, it's a huge school. Okay, the area is so big. Like, imagine we have to walk through this. Okay, this is the road. This is the main road from which we have to go, and then take a left. Okay, then also it's a long walk, and then we reach the main road. So we were like, there won't be any cab, and to get out, you have to at least walk 5 kilometers, I think. Yeah, 4 or 5 kilometers. Yeah. So what happened was, we were like, हम school आ तो जाएंगे, लेकिन बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे? We have to walk all the way through. Then we decided, let's walk. Then we had our school uniform. Then we packed our बाहर वाला कपड़ा, jeans, top, whatsoever. So we changed there. and we were walking and walking and walking. I met a friend. He was not even my friend. He was my Rakhi brother. I used to tie him Rakhi, and he used to steal my lunch every time. He saw it and he was like, "Oh, कहाँ जा रही है?" and all stuff. And I was like, "यार किसको बताने वाला था? ऐसे बंद कर रहे हैं and all this stuff." And चल ठीक है bro, मिलते हैं स्कूल में कल, चल बाय ऐसे, and we went. Okay. Then it has been a while. We never walked so much. We were walking because inside that area you won't get any private autos, any cabs will not come because you don't have a ID. By the time metro भी नहीं बनी थी, अभी तो there is a metro in Shankarvihar station, and then you just have to get out of the metro and there's the school. Okay, it is so convenient now. Back then there was no metro, and then we finally got out of the gate and we did Ola, and we 5 of the girls were sitting in one Ola, and I guess that Ola driver took, I guess, 900 or something from Shankarvihar to CP. It was like, yeah, I know, it was a lot, like a lot. And we reached CP and we were all excited. Oh my god, कैसे होगा? जैसे movies में, series में दिखाते ऐसे ही होगा. And we reached there and we were like, हम एक दूसरे की शक्ल देख रहे हैं and we were like, what the fuck? ये क्या है? What is this? हम क्यों आए यहाँ पे? We reached CP by I guess 9:30 or something. Okay. There were like not a single shop open. Okay. And we were like, कट गया हमारा, अब क्या करें? 900 रुपए दे के आ रहे हैं एंड कट गया हमारा legit. So we thought, अब क्या करें? Then we were like, let's go to Bangla Sahib. मैंने सुना Bangla Sahib के पास में. Then we were like, oh yeah, let's go. Then we went to Bangla Sahib and we sat and we felt very nice. It was very peaceful. We sat and then we were like, अब क्या? हमने टाइम देखा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, it was 10 AM. 10 बजे क्या करें अब हम? We decided, you know what? Let's chill at our usual spot, and that was Ambience Mall. We used to go there every time. Okay, then we were like, yeah, let's go. वहाँ कम से कम AC होगा, खाने को होगा, पीने को होगा, मिनीस होगा, सब कुछ होगा. Let's go somewhere. Then we were like, ये तो बहुत ही घटिया जगह था, कुछ भी नहीं खुला था, and it was like not even wow. I used to eat pizzeria, which was the worst pizza ever, and we called it a day. We took lots of picture, and it was like, yay, it was so much fun. हमने तो crazy कर दिया, हम तो cool बच्चे हो गए. We are so cool. We went to CP and found nothing else. Then okay, we were having lots of fun. उसके बाद फिर weekend था. Then we went to school on Monday. Like we were like, oh, so cool. क्योंकि उस time तक हमने Facebook, Instagram पे pictures post कर दिए थे, and we were like, yeah, we are so cool and all, right? So, and we also had to make sure that the pictures were taken on Saturday or Sunday, because you know the school kids, you can never trust them. Okay. Our class teacher was really sweet. Especially, I don't know, I liked her so much, and she also liked me so much. Okay, so she was, our biology teacher as well as a class teacher. She was taking attendance. Okay, she said Samiksha, and I was like, present, ma'am. Then she was like, meet me after this. I was like, my heart freaking sank. I looked at Ira looked at me, and I was like, oh fuck, what's gonna happen now? So after she finished taking the attendance, then she called me, and I was like, yes ma'am. She was like, call Ira. I was like, ma'am बुला रही. Then everyone is looking at us. Everyone is like, oh, tea मिलेगी आज तो, क्या होगा? Because we already have a reputation of bunking classes. Ma'am was like, okay, so were you hanging out with the boys? And we were like, ew, gee, boys, we don't like boys, ma'am. We did not like boys, okay? So, ma'am was like, then what were you guys doing? And we were like, I'm just hanging out. God forbid girls have some freedom. So she was like, okay, call your parents. Like, no ma'am, please, ये मत करो, please, no ma'am, not this time, please, not, no ma'am. Then she was like, you are a really good student, but you guys keep bunking classes, it's not fair. Till now I was shut because you guys are getting good grades also, so I had to shut, but this is a big issue, it's gonna be a big issue. Then I was like, no ma'am, it was nothing like that and all. She insisted on like, were you hanging out with boys, were they boys? I was like, no ma'am, there were no boys. You have to understand, we don't like boys. We are anti-boys and we are feminist. We don't like boys. Then she was like, okay, we'll have to talk, we'll have to take you to the vice principal. सबके फट गए. The vice principal is so freaking strict. We're like, मैम प्रिंसिपल मैम के पास ले चलो, लेकिन वाइस प्रिंसिपल के पास नहीं, प्लीज प्लीज, बिकॉज ही वाज सो स्ट्रिक्ट. ओके, देन शी सेड, call all of your friends and write a letter saying like sorry. And I was like, yeah sure ma'am, please like give us some time. And she was like, yeah meet me when the school gets over. We were like ठीक है. And फिर lunch period में हमारी मंडली बैठती है and we are like, guys, we are so fucked. Okay, out of 5 girls, one girl, Gia, was obnoxiously calm. She was like, and I was like, bro, what is wrong with you? We are so fucked and you are just calm there. And she was like, हाँ मैं तो घर पे बता के आई थी. We are like, Nikal, this is not happening. You have to get out. How's it fair? Then we said, let's do one thing. What if we tell like Gia's father that yeah, I was the one who dropped them and then they were under my surveillance, then everything will be fine. And Gia was like, पागल है क्या तुम लोग, already मेरे को फंसा चुके हो, मैं अपने पापा को भी फंसाऊं. Then we were like, हाँ यार बात तो सही है, और अंकल क्यों मानेंगे हमारी बातें. And we are like, okay, this is the last thing we have got. We have to write a letter to our class teachers. Gia was like, मैं तो नहीं लिख रही, मैं तो परमिशन लेके आई थी, मैं क्यों लिख रही, प्लीज लिख लेना, तुझे दोस्ती की कसम भाई, तुझे फेमिनिज्म की कसम, लिखते प्लीज. Then she was like, yeah, I'll think about it. So we are like, चलो लेटर लिखते हैं. The geography teacher was the class teacher of Upasna, and then Anamika ma'am would never let us go. You know, she will. Okay, so we were like, मेरी क्लास टीचर मान जाएगी, मैं और ईरा की क्लास टीचर मान जाएगी, जिया तो परमिशन लेके आई है, बट उपासना की क्लास टीचर, she is not gonna leave this. Okay, then what happened was we wrote letters, and then Radhika ma'am came and then she was like, girls, what were you doing and all this stuff, and we were like, I'm sorry this happened. And she was our English teacher. Okay, she used to love me. Then she looked at me, she was like, was not expecting from you. I was like, I know, I'm so sorry to disappoint you, I'm so sorry, it won't happen again. And I was like, so sorry. Then she was like, then I don't know what happened actually. I guess it wasn't a big issue after that, because I guess they didn't even call our parents. I don't really remember. Ira, if you remember, please tell me. I don't know. So it wasn't a big deal, but then yeah, that was our bunking era. And the real question arises that who the fuck is the one who ratted us out? And we could never think of a name. Then I think, is it Akshay, my brother, my Rakhi brother, who steals my lunch? Then I confronted him. Were you the one who ratted and he was like, पागल है क्या, मैं तेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों करूँगा, मैं तेरा lunch खाता हूँ. Then I was like, yeah, why would he do that? And he would be the last person to do it. So yeah, we don't actually know who ratted us out that day. And till this date, we don't know who was it. We used to score good, okay? And this until algebra came, trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry was also like fine only, but algebra and stuff, so bad. Maths was like worse, okay? And another subject was chemistry. Okay, before I go, a bonus story. I loved biology, okay? And physics, I could do here and there, okay? And yeah, one day, teacher was my biology teacher. She's my favorite, okay? I loved her so much. She was taking our attendance. Then day before, I had chemistry exam, unit test actually. So she comes and she was like, you know what, one of your child has scored the highest marks in the class. Then my biology teacher gets so happy. Then she was like, oh my god, really, who is it? Then she's like, oh, Samiksha, she scored 0. And I was there like, you didn't have to humiliate me like that. Then she was kind of racist also. Okay, so biology ma'am was like, oh, okay. She didn't have to say anything because I used to score 30 on 30 in biology. But then one day she was like, you also have to focus on chemistry and all of that. Ma'am, I cannot just do it. I cannot do it because I used to hate that teacher. I told her in her face that I don't like this teacher. She doesn't know how to teach. And she's kind of racist. Okay. Then the board exam came and I did not attempt a single question in chemistry. I left it. I left it blank. I wrote my name, I wrote the date, and I filled the whole page, and I did not attempt a single question. In biology, I know I am scoring full marks, so केमिस्ट्री होता ही नहीं था, इवन इफ आई ट्राइड होता ही नहीं था। पास होना है मेरे को साइंस में, लाइक साइंस में तो पास हो ही जाऊंगी बिकॉज 30 ऑल इट टेक्स इज 30 मार्क्स, एंड 30 मार्क्स तो मैं बायोलॉजी में ऐसे ही आऊंगी। मैथ्स में आई वाज रियली स्केयर्ड, मैथ्स में आई वाज लाइक बैक आनी है, लाइक बैक तो आएगी मेरी, बट देन मैथ्स में मेरे आई 55 मार्क्स, विच इज वे मोर अबव देन द देन द what do we call it, passing marks. Okay, so I scored 55 marks, and I was like, "Ooh." The first thing I saw, I didn't even see any other, you know, any other marks. Then I saw science ka, and I was like, oh, 70. And mind you, I have not attempted a single question from the chemistry. Okay, and then I saw, and I was like, yeah, pass to me hui. I scored above 90% in 10. You know what we used to do? We used to do all the fun, like all the masti in school, and ghar pe we used to study a lot. I had so much fun in my school. Like my school life, nobody can beat my school life. Okay, it was one of the best. This was my whole bunking story, and how I got caught, and how my friends were there. And shout out to Ira, I love you. I really appreciate the girlies. I know everyone has parted ways, but still, I love them all. So, but one person that stayed with me the whole time was Ira. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.